Superchargers and Trent Rockets clash in the fourth match of the 2024 season in Leeds on Friday. Both teams would like to start their campaign on a winning note, but the Superchargers would be under extra pressure to put up their best show. In the last season, Superchargers had finished at the bottom of the table, while the Rockets were placed fifth. In head-to-head record, Rockets enjoyed dominance with 2 wins out of 3 matches. The Trent Rockets would also like to replicate their 2022 edition's performance, where they finished as champions. Leeds will host the 4th game of the 2024 season on Friday. At this venue, 12 matches in the men's 100 have been hosted across 3 seasons, where the average first inning score is 150 and the average second inning score is 159. The highest score in the 100 at the Headingley is 208. Northern Chargers will miss out on the services of at least 3 international players because of the ongoing Test series against West Indies. On paper, Trent Rockets lineup looks solid. Both teams have played 3 matches against each other, with Trent Rockets having won 2 and the Superchargers 1. Short has shown promise in the 100. In 7 innings, he has scored 150 runs at an average of 21.42 and a strike rate of 166.66, including 150. Reece Topley has been effective with the ball in the tournament. In 19 innings, he has taken 22 wickets at a strike rate of 14.95, an economy rate of 9.02 and an average of 22.50. Alex Hales has been a consistent performer in the 100. In 25 innings, he has scored 532 runs at an average of 22.16 and a strike rate of 141.48, including 250s. Sam Cooke has been a key bowler in the 100. In 16 innings, he has taken 20 wickets with a strike rate of 13.80, an economy rate of 8.95 and an average of 20.60. Adil Rashid is a hot pick for Northern Superchargers. In 23 innings, he has taken 31 wickets at an average of 18.00, a strike rate of 14.25 and won 4 wicket haul. Rashid's wicket haul is the highest in the tournament. Graham Clark is an avoid pick for Northern Superchargers. He has not yet played a single match in the 100. Adam Blythe is a hot pick for Trent Rockets. In 16 innings of the tournament, he has scored 368 runs at an average of 23.00 and a strike rate of 157.93, including 350s. Riley Meredith would be an avoid pick from Trent Rockets because of his lack of experience in the 100. Rockets are favourite to win the match against Northern Superchargers with a win percentage of 85%. Nicholas Pooran would be a good choice for captain. Adil Rashid will be a fine option for vice captain. में हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में विकेट कीपर के रूप में निकोलस पूरन शामिल हैं। 3 ऑलराउंडर्स होंगे मैथ्यू शॉर्ट, मिचेल सैंटलर और लुइस ग्रेगरी। 4 बैटर्स होंगे जेसन रॉय, एलेक्स हेल्स, सैम हैं और एडम लाइथ। 3 बॉलर्स हैं आदिल रशीद, रीच टॉपली और सैम कुक।